Everyone, today I'm gonna make you learn about the petroleum. Natural calamities that will come not only on the land side, it will also come on water bodies and in oceans and seas also. They have to also face the natural calamities. So when on land, all the wild animals, vegetation and everything, the big forest went down under the land, and it will just buried out for millions of years by high pressure and temperature. They turned into the fossil fuel. Its name was coal, just because it was on the land. So in marine, the same thing happened. petra First, let me tell you, like, petroleum is made up of two words. We can just it is a summation of two words, petra plus oleum. Petra, it means rock, and petroleum means, oleum means oil. So the oil which is coming out from the petra, that means sedimentation, or the that is coming from the rock. So the one another name of petroleum is rock oil. What happens when the seas and ocean bodies, when some natural calamities occurred, then all these seas along with the algae, the water bodies, the water animals, and all the living small and bigger creatures which were residing in the ocean or seas, they went in the bottom of the seas, and it got covered by a layer. And in absence of air and all the high temperature and high pressure, all these dead organisms, slowly they were gradually converted into petroleum and natural gases after billions and billions of years. That is the consequence. We got the petroleum. What happened at that time? The sea and ocean are very deeper. So in the deep in the ocean, there are sedimentary rocks. Let's come to another slide. There are sedimentary, you might have learned in your previous classes about the sedimentary rocks. That is a porous kind of rock kind, in which there are limestone, sandstone, and it is made by the sedimentation process. All the those rocks are summation of sublimes, and what is the with the sedimentation of minerals and limestone, sandstone, those kind of rocks are formed. That is sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks, here and there you can see the Im, Im, impermeable shells. This is the permeable sandstone. It means permeable, it means it allows anything to get inside it. It's a porous kind of substance, and between all this permeable sandstone, the oil gets reserved inside, and that oil is not in the form of petrol. That is the form of crude oil, यानी कि कच्चा ऑयल के फॉर्म में होता है. दैट इज सो स्मेली, एंड it's full of impurities. So it's not only like we just dig it out and we got the petroleum and we started using it. It's nothing like that. When the submarine, or sorry, when the marine dead bodies get beneath the surface of the beneath the bottom of the this one, when the marine vegetation and animals get below the bottom of the seas, and they got layered by the sand and the clay and so many things, and with the high pressure and high temperature, in absence of air, it got turned into the crude oil and somewhat natural gases also. So we have to refine it before we use it. So that got reserved here and here. We have so many equipments to dig it out and take out the crude oil, and then it is sent to the oil refineries. Then we will get the pure petroleum. So these are the big refinery plants where petroleum is getting refined. Petroleum, what is that? That is a very dark oily liquid, and its odor is so unpleasant. And the process of separating the various constituents of petroleum, that is called refining of petroleum. It is all done in these refineries, big refineries. It is done. See, these are the byproduct when we do the refinery of, when we do the fractional distillation of the crude oil at different temperature, we get the different byproducts, and all these byproducts are having different uses. Fuel in home and industry: motor fuel, aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning, fuel for stoves, lamps and for jet aircraft, fuel for heavy motors. Heavy motors में यूज़ किया जाता है, and all these things we get from the refinery of petroleum. ये पेट्रोलियम गैस हमें सबसे ऊपर मिलता है. सी केरोसिन ऑयल मिलता है, डीजल, लुब्रिकेटिंग, पैराफिन एंड बिटुमेन. बिटुमेन जो हमारा कोल टायर का रिप्लेसमेंट है. नाउअडेज द सरफेसिंग ऑफ द रोड इज डन बाय द बिटुमेन. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स. अब हमारे अरबियन कंट्री में बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑयल मिलता है, जस्ट बिकॉज दैट इज़ द ओनली जोग्राफिकल रीज़न. उनका रीजन ऐसा है कि वहाँ पे सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स का फॉर्मेशन, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स थे, वो पोरस थे और वहाँ ऑयल जाके रिजर्व हो चुका है, तो वहाँ पे ऑयल ज़्यादा मिलता है.